The Ministry of Law and Justice has issued a crucial clarification, bringing an end to the confusion surrounding notaries and their role in marriage and divorce proceedings. The ministry has categorically stated that notaries are not authorized to execute marriage or divorce deeds. This announcement is paramount as it underscores the importance of adhering to the correct legal channels for these significant life events. The clarification serves as a timely reminder for citizens to be aware of the legal framework governing marriage and divorce in India. This clarification is not merely a bureaucratic technicality, it's about safeguarding the sanctity of marriage and ensuring that the rights and interests of all parties involved are protected. By understanding the rationale behind this clarification, individuals can avoid potential legal complications and ensure that their marital affairs are handled with the gravity and legality they deserve. India, a land of diverse cultures and religions, follows a system of personal laws when it comes to marriage and divorce. This means that the legal framework governing these matters is determined by the religious beliefs of the parties involved. Two prominent legislations play a pivotal role in this domain: the Hindu Marriage Act, 1955, and the Special Marriage Act, 1954. The Hindu Marriage Act, as the name suggests, lays down the law for marriages solemnized according to Hindu rites and customs. This act extends its purview to individuals who identify as Hindus, Buddhists, Jains, or Sikhs. It outlines the eligibility criteria for marriage, the procedures for solemnization, and the grounds for divorce. On the other hand, the Special Marriage Act offers a secular alternative, allowing couples from different faiths or those who do not subscribe to any religion to get married under its provisions. These acts, along with other personal laws, form the bedrock of marital laws in India. They reflect the diverse social fabric of the nation, while ensuring that all marriages and divorces are conducted within a legal framework. Understanding these laws is crucial for anyone contemplating marriage or seeking a divorce in India. Notaries public, commonly referred to as notaries, play a distinct and limited role within the Indian legal system. They are appointed by the government to serve as impartial witnesses in legal documents and transactions. Their primary functions include verifying the identity of individuals signing documents, witnessing the signing process, and attesting to the authenticity of signatures. While notaries play a crucial role in preventing fraud and ensuring the legality of various documents, it's important to understand the limitations of their authority. Their role is primarily to authenticate and verify, not to validate or legalize the content of a document. This is particularly important to remember in the context of marriage and divorce, where the legal procedures and requirements go far beyond the scope of a notary's purview. The legal sanctity of marriage and divorce in India is established through meticulous procedures outlined in the relevant acts. These procedures are designed to ensure that all parties involved are adequately protected and that the process is transparent and legally sound. For marriages solemnized under the Hindu Marriage Act, the law mandates the registration of the marriage after the performance of customary rites and ceremonies. Similarly, the Special Marriage Act outlines a specific procedure for couples choosing to marry under its provisions. This involves giving a notice of intended marriage, a waiting period, and a formal registration process. When it comes to divorce, the legal framework provides for various grounds on which a couple can seek dissolution of their marriage. Section 5. The perils of informal marital agreements. The Ministry's clarification on notaries serves as a stark reminder of the potential pitfalls of relying on informal agreements or arrangements for matters as crucial as marriage and divorce. Attempting to bypass the established legal channels, such as resorting to notarized documents for these purposes, can have serious legal and personal ramifications. Firstly, such informal agreements lack the legal validity of a properly registered marriage or a court-decreed divorce. This means they offer no legal protection or recourse to either party in case of disputes or disagreements in the future. Secondly, relying on such agreements can lead to complications in matters of inheritance, alimony, child custody, and other legal rights and obligations that are intrinsically linked to a legally recognized marital status. Section 6. Tying the knot. The right way to wedlock. For couples embarking on the journey of marriage, understanding and adhering to the correct legal procedures is paramount. The first step is to determine which law governs their union. the Hindu Marriage Act, or the Special Marriage Act. Once this is established, couples need to familiarize themselves with the specific procedures outlined in the chosen act. This includes understanding the eligibility criteria for marriage, completing the necessary documentation, and following the prescribed registration process. Seeking guidance from legal professionals can provide clarity and ensure that all legal requirements are met. Section 7. Untying the knot. Navigating divorce legally. Divorce, though often an emotionally challenging process, needs to be navigated within the confines of the law to ensure fairness and protect the interests of all parties involved. The legal framework for divorce in India provides various grounds on which a couple can seek a divorce, such as cruelty, adultery, desertion, or mutual consent. Couples seeking a divorce need to approach a court of law and file a petition on the grounds permissible under the relevant act. It is crucial to understand that attempting to dissolve a marriage through informal means, such as a notarized document, has no legal standing and can lead to further complications. Section 8. Conclusion. Upholding the sanctity of marriage through law. The Ministry of Law and Justice's clarification on notaries underscores a fundamental principle. The sanctity of marriage and divorce is upheld through lawful practices. By adhering to the legal framework governing these life events, we ensure clarity, protection, and legal recognition. Choosing the right legal path not only safeguards individual rights but also strengthens the very institution of marriage. Let's pledge to uphold the law and make informed choices that stand the test of time.